Have so many rust. We will derust it first before opening. Looks like this one is harder to open since the whole metal is folded to lock this part of the motor. The problem with this fan motor is that it has a cracked socket, and from what I know, the carbon brush holds itself into this socket. I hope I'm wrong, or else it will be a problem in aligning the carbon brush. So we pry the tab here so that we can lift this rear plate of this motor. Should remove this nut. There you go. Push the armature from this side. So there it is. You see that? Carbon brush ba yun? Grabe yung dumi. So it's very dirty inside. Look at that. I think that's the plastic. Nagkadurog-durog yung plastic. Plastic ba to? Oh, so good that at least the carbon brush holder is still intact. You just need to find a way to fix this terminals. So I'll try to remove. There you go. So the armature still looks good, except for this. I think it can still be used. There's the bearing at the rear of the armature. So the carbon brush is still long enough for it to work properly. So these are the bits and pieces of the socket. This one, as you can see, it's broken. It's like a puzzle already. Let's see if we can still repair this. So we'll be changing the terminals already of this radiator fan motor. The original socket, which is this one, it's already brittle. As you can see here, it's already cracked into pieces. So I'll be installing an external socket from the motor. So I will try to cut this since the terminal will not be used anymore. So this is the terminal a while ago. We trimmed it and we tied the wire here before soldering.